Just down at the mill I'm associated with. Have been for a few years. Actually, that one over there is one of our old pieces. We sold it to them when we wound her down. I've actually spent a couple of winters running this cutting edge one here, 40-foot mill. This one here, I got about 5,000 or 6,000 hours running this one. We put that Sawmill cab on. Came from Ketchikan Pulp Company in Alaska. I don't know if that's history or not. And they got a Peterson. Our mill used to be way down the road at the end. So. 40-footer on there. Can't beat that. Oh, and there's Shane. We used to log together, so.